Hello there, it's Sano, your IKEA enthusiast back again. Nice to meet you all.
This April, there were 2 highly anticipated limited collections released.
First up, we saw the launch of the TESAMMANS series.
And then the 4th installment of the Nytillverkad collection hit the shelves. IKEA's Nytillverkad collection has been quite popular and highly anticipated since last year.
So I'm expecting this one to be a hit as well. In this video, I'm going to introduce a bunch of new products, including one of the limited collections.
Let's dive right into the new products that have caught my eye. Here we have a bamboo tray. It comes with decorative strings on the side, giving it a very natural look. It's quite a large rectangular shape with rounded corners. This design, I feel, makes it versatile for various interior styles without being too rustic. I recently redecorated my entryway and thought this could be a great addition. I imagine the large tray on this shelf could be a neat place to drop keys and such.
But, well, it didn't fit. At all, not even close. Not a bit of chance, no matter how many times I tried.
So, yeah, I had to let that idea go. Interestingly, the official IKEA website suggests it as a great way to tidy up the scattered items quickly in the dining area. Given its generous size, I did think it could handle a lot of clutter. I've used it as a decorative piece on top of my cabinet besta. The bamboo gives off a soft and relaxing vibe. It's quite rare to find such a coarsely meshed tray, isn't it? What would you use it for? Moving on to a new cushion cover. Perfect for bringing a touch of spring into your home. Isn't this small floral patterned cushion cover just adorable? The pastel colors are amazing and the price is surprisingly affordable, making it easy to spruce up your space for spring. Being 100% cotton, it's also easy to care for. Pairing it with a plain version in a similar color scheme would look cute, don't you think? Next up, we have towels in vivid colors from the VÅGSJÖN series. A bit of a rarity for IKEA to have such a long-standing product. The colors are refreshed regularly, and this year they've gone for something quite colorful. The VÅGSJÖN series is popular mainly because of the variety of sizes available, especially this 50-100 cm mini bath towel size. It's just so convenient. Even for adults, it's ample. It's perfect for drying both hair and body with just one towel. As for me, here's the size. As you can see, IKEA towels all come with a loop, and using a 100 yen shop door hook, you can grab your towel right out of the bath, which is super convenient. Next, there's this tiny wall organizer that caught my eye. It's in a lovely beige color. Though I found the installation a bit tricky and haven't bought it yet, its affordability makes it intriguing. Being made of steel, it seems quite durable. Moving on to the kitchen corner, they've introduced water bottles with stylish patterns. This appears to be a collaboration design pattern with the artist Hiroko Takahashi. Yes, it is. Last summer, the collaboration was announced, and back then, they released items like cushion covers. Yes, I went ahead and bought this. It's technically a new product, a pot holder, with green being the new color. I used to think pot holders weren't necessary, but having one is indeed convenient. It's compact yet fits all 5 fingers snugly, making it surprisingly easy to use. Compared to fabric ones, it's better because it's compact, easy to wash, and even handy for handling items in boiling water without getting wet. It's marked with a heat resistance of up to 220 quite strong indeed. It seems that it is not sold in some countries, which is very disappointing. I hope it goes on sale soon. Now this multi-purpose pot is absolutely adorable, an IKEA product. Having a spout makes it very handy. Though the handle looks like wood, it's actually made of resin. Its curved design also makes it space efficient for storage, which I really like. Next, I'll introduce a new storage product. I ordered it online and it was delivered via parcel delivery. Very nicely packaged. Thank you so much. Here it is. This basket is just so cute. Absolutely adorable. 2 versions were released, white and black. The black one is a size larger. Though it looks like rattan, it's actually plastic with a steel core. It's quite sturdy. There was an unusual flyer included. Well, moving on, I bought 2. Since it's not natural material, it's suitable for outdoor use as well, according to the website.
It didn't fit in the lost fruit wagon as I had hoped.
I thought it would look cute, matched with the white wagon's color scheme, but alas, it didn't fit. However, it did fit in the larger rose cog wagon. I only have the pink one at home, and I tried matching it. It fits quite easily with room to spare, looking pretty cute. The white one is hidden, but yes, I think it's cute. Its durability makes it more functional for storage than natural materials. I use the wagon for storage, placing children's school supplies in the front part of a deep closet. With a wagon, you can move smoothly, making it easy to access things in the back, and you can dig into the storage area, making it easy for children to use. Back to the basket, it fits perfectly in the Billy bookshelf, which has an internal depth of 26 mm. I also tried it in a Nitori color box, fitting comfortably with ample space. The basket itself is so cute, it's perfect for open storage or open spaces. Currently, it's being used in a child's room color box. Next, I'll introduce a vase from the 4th installment of the Nytillverkad collection. It has a somewhat mid-century, unique design but is white, making it easy to match with a modern atmosphere. I bought the flowers through an app I always use, Christmas Rose. I have another purchase to introduce. This large blanket, more like a lap blanket. It's quite well reviewed, so I decided to buy it. It feels like gauze made of 100% cotton, easy to handle, and very soft. I love the pre-wrinkled, gentle atmosphere it creates. It comes pre-wrinkled, which makes it look great just tossed on. Can you get a sense of the texture? It's lightweight, making it great for the upcoming summer. The color is also very adaptable. Next time, I'll see if I managed to get anything from the TESAMMANS series. How did it go, I wonder? See you in the next video soon. Thank you for watching till the end.